Good afternoon. It was an absolutely glorious start to the day and most of us will keep sunny spells into the afternoon. But it came at a price. It was a chilly start, the coldest autumn morning so far in Braemar in Scotland, and we had some patchy mist and fog as well, as you get when high pressure dominates in autumn. And that high pressure is going to stay with us for the rest of the day and into tomorrow. But we will start to see a change developing as we go through the latter stages of Friday into the start of the weekend. There's more wet and possibly windy weather to come as well. So enjoy the sunshine for the remainder of the afternoon. Sunny spells, a little bit of fair weather cloud developing into the afternoon, and perhaps the breeze picking up and a few isolated showers into western Scotland. But on the whole, temperatures will peak at around 13 to 17 degrees, pretty much where they should be for this time of year. As we go through the evening, the winds will continue to strengthen further, and this weather front will bring some showery rain into Northern Ireland and northwest Scotland. Clearer skies across England and Wales will mean temperatures once again into single figures, and because of all the rain that we had in September, the ground's pretty moist, so we could see further mist and fog forming. The high is drifting slowly eastwards, and that means that these weather fronts will start to push in from the Atlantic, but they are going to make slow progress. So on Friday, the showery rain really sitting across western Scotland, Northern Ireland. We might see more cloud developing through the Isle of Man and West Wales, but on the whole, dry and quiet elsewhere. And once again, temperatures peaking into the mid to high teens in places. Now, as we move out of Friday into Saturday, the next front will start to move in. Again, a slow process being blocked by that high pressure, but some of the rain will start to turn quite heavy across Northern Ireland and northwest Scotland, and the winds will strengthen too. Elsewhere, we should cling on to some sunshine for the bulk of Saturday, maybe some rain pushing into Cornwall and southwest Wales by the end of the day. That frontal system will continue to sweep its way steadily eastwards overnight, so a spell of heavy rain and stronger winds clearing across the country. That will linger first thing on Sunday, and even once it clears, it is going to leave quite a showery story for the second half of the weekend. Good evening. Well, after a chilly start today, we all got the long-awaited sunshine we've been craving after such a wet September. This was Staffordshire a little earlier on, but it was a fairly familiar story right across the country, all thanks to high pressure, which is slowly starting to drift its way steadily eastwards, and it will allow the door to open to this weather front into the northwest, bringing some showery outbreaks of rain. It'll prevent temperatures from falling too far, but elsewhere under those clear skies, expect the temperatures to fall away once again. Low single figures in sheltered rural areas of England and Wales. A touch of frost and patchy fog is likely first thing in the morning. But as we go through the day, we'll continue to see this north-south divide across England and Wales. After that sunny start, we'll have fair weather cloud developing, but temperatures are still likely to peak between 15 and 17 degrees. Maybe cloudier skies and a few scattered showers into the Isle of Man. More overcast and damp across Northern Ireland with showery outbreaks of rain into western Scotland. Sheltered eastern areas should stay driest for longest. Highs here of 13 to 14 Celsius. So as we move out of Friday into the start of the weekend, the high pressure continues to lose its grip and allows another front to push in. This one will bring some more heavy and persistent rain with it. So once again, we'll see double digits to greet us first thing on Saturday, but still a chilly start for England and Wales. That's where we'll have the best of the sunshine throughout the day on Saturday. Some of this rain could turn quite heavy though on Saturday through Northern Ireland and into Scotland, gradually pushing its way steadily northwards and eastwards. The wind direction swinging round to a southerly. It might feel a degree or so warmer despite the temperatures suggesting a similar story, 14 to 17 degrees. But Saturday night is the night where that front will continue to push its way quite widely across the country, and it will bring a spell of wet weather as it does so. So wet and windy through the early hours of Sunday morning. That trails away, and you can see how it's going to stay pretty unsettled with plenty of showers developing. And that just opens the floodgates for yet more unsettled weather as we move through the week ahead, particularly from Wednesday onwards. That's it. Take care.